Hey, this is Market Moves with Matt, with your host, Matt Janino, and today I'm going to go over a trade I made with my trade journal series. So right now I saw a prime opportunity in Tesla, and this week Tesla has been crashing hard. It has fallen 60 points from the highs. So it was at 360 and it dropped down all the way to 296. So if you know anything about things that go up or down, is they don't go straight up or straight down. And they take breaks along the way, and they have these things called pullbacks. So I've watched Tesla drop the last 3 or 4 days, and I was kind of getting tired of it. So I checked in today, and I saw that it was spiking hard. So this was the drop the last couple days, and each time we got some volume at some point. We got some volume to push it back to the middle band, volume to push it back, and then today we got the most volume right here on this doji. Now, if you know what dojis are, they are a good sign of a reversal. And all a doji is a failed attempt to break lower. So Tesla sold off really hard, and the buying volume pushed it back up to the point where it settled in the upper half. So we can go over doji video later. I'm going to throw one up there, but basically the point where it ended in this 15-minute chart was on the upper half of the candle. And this means a lot of upward pressure was put on this stock, and this might have been a clear reversal sign, which it was. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 green candles in the next 90 minutes. And I'll show you where I got in. I didn't get in at the bottom. I got in at the middle. And I would have got in closer towards the bottom if I was watching at the time, but I was driving and I missed it. So I am happy I didn't have to worry about it, because seeing all these green candles later, it kind of confirmed the move, and I didn't have to sit there worrying. So basically, the upward pressure was put, and Tesla started to go towards the middle Bollinger Band, this turquoise band. And I got in at 308, or $304 and about 60 cents. I mean, with options, you never know the actual price you got in, because there's so much intrinsic value and all that jazz that's being priced into the option. So I got in around here, and I sold at around 310. So at the top of this candle here. So I sold it here, got in here. So this small move was $320. Later did I find that it hit the top Bollinger Band, the red one, so that I missed out on the $400 there. But taking profit is the name of the game. It's what I like to do. And as you can see, here's the proof. Bought at $9.25, one option expiring tomorrow. Pretty deep in the money, so I had the most delta, and I got the most money per dollar move. So bought it at $9.25, sold it at $12.45. So real quick move, but I was pretty confident with it, and I only put in a small amount of capital. So I usually don't trade with a lot with moves like these. I like to have some money in case it goes against me, buy a little bit on a pullback, but I'm happy that I got a nice 5-point move relatively quickly. So yeah, this is my trade today. Hopefully you guys can learn from it, and if you have any questions or if you have any things you want to see, let me know. These videos are for you, so hit the subscribe button and get notified when a new video comes out. Tesla is something to keep an eye out for. It is possibly going to make a nice turnaround here, but we will see. So this is Matt signing off. Peace.